Hello students, in the last video we have discussed how to find out the roots of the given equation. In that type of questions we have discussed that how to convert the given equation in the form of quadratic equation. Then after that how to use, you can use over there, I told you can use over there factorization method also, you can use over there quadratic formula method also. But I will tell you how to use over here quadratic formula method, because quadratic formula method gives us a chance to check the given equation is having roots or not. Here I am with one different type of example. Here I have written that example. If you will see, then you will come to know that. Okay, look this example. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Look this example. If you will come to know that, if you will observe carefully, then like that examples we have discussed in linear equation in two variables also. In the last point of the linear equation in two variables means equation reducible in the pair of linear equation in two variables. In that point some word problems we have discussed, and one word problem was regarding to like that, regarding to stream, flow of stream, and it was little looking like that. Here also we are going to, means these two words we have used over there already, upstream and downstream. If you can remember it properly, then you will come to know that upstream means what, downstream means what. I will explain over here also, but listen carefully. What is the example? A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Means here there is one motorboat, and that motorboat started journey. And that motorboat has covered, while going upstream and downstream, has covered 24 kilometer distance. Okay, in that situation the speed of the motorboat is given over here 18 km per hour, and one important thing is given over here. What is that? Look here, 1 hour to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream. 1 hour is more while going upstream. How we can judge it, and what is reason behind it? And important thing is that when we are going to solve like that example, then which type of situation we have to follow over here. How to solve like that example, that I am going to explain. Listen here. If you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that sometimes students are getting confusion over here. They are grumbling. When students are reading like that example, they are thinking this is the example of linear equation in two variable, and they are trying to convert the given equation word problem in the form of linear equation in two variable. That is the biggest mistake. If you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that in linear equation in two variable there are two conditions, but here only one condition. This is the biggest difference to identify the given example is of quadratic equation or given example is of linear equation in two variable. If you will observe carefully, then here you will come to know that here only one condition is there. Speed of the boat is 18 km per hour, and that boat has covered 24 km distance while going upstream and downstream. Okay, then we have to find out, here last sentence you will see, find the speed of the stream. We have to find out the speed of the stream. Means what we want to find out in this type of example, what we want to find out, that we have to consider. But after consideration, there is the biggest problem of these words, upstream and downstream. Some students are getting again confusion over here. What is meant by upstream and what is meant by downstream? Upstream means that motor boat is going up, and downstream means that motor boat is coming down. Are you getting? Okay, then we will start this example. How to start and how to solve this, look and try to understand. Okay, let us consider what do you want to find out? Speed of the stream. That only we will consider. The speed of the stream be x km per hour. The speed of the stream is x kilometer per hour. Let us consider the speed of the stream is x kilometer per hour. Okay, next look here. The speed of the boat upstream. The speed of the boat upstream. Now, the speed of boat when that boat was going on upside means upstream is equal to, look here, what is the speed of the boat? 18 kilometer per hour. And what is the speed of the stream? X kilometer per hour. And you know that very well. In that example, the example which you are discussed in linear equation in two variable, that time I told you when boat is going up, that time speed of the stream is going to oppose to the motor boat. Are you getting what I am saying? Okay, when boat is going up, that time speed of stream opposed to the speed of boat, and when boat is going down, that time speed of boat and speed of stream, it's very important, look here what I am saying. Okay, when boat is going up, that time speed of stream opposed to the speed of boat, and when boat is coming down, that time speed of stream supports to the speed of boat. Are you getting? When going up, that time speed of stream opposed to the boat, and when it is coming down, that time speed of stream supports to the boat. That time what you will write, look here. Now the speed of the boat upstream, यानी कि बोट ऊपर जा रही है, तो ऊपर जाते वक्त क्या होगा? The speed of the boat is, we know that very well, 18, and speed of stream is what? X, means it will oppose, means 18 minus x kilometer per hour. Are you getting? Kilometer per hour. Okay, then what is next? You know that very well. Then speed of the boat downstream. Speed of boat downstream. What will be the speed of the boat downstream? Here 18 minus x means here what will happen? 18 plus x kilometer per hour. Okay, got idea? Why it is written minus, why it is written plus? I think you got idea about it. Okay, original speed of boat is what? 18 kilometer per hour, but speed of stream will oppose, यानी कि माइनस हो जाएगा, and here what will happen? It supports, यानी कि प्लस हो जाएगा, ऐड हो जाएगा. Okay, now the time taken to go upstream. Now what we will do? We will find out the time taken to go upstream by using the formula velocity is equal to distance divided by time. Means we can split it, or we can write in a specific manner how time is equal to distance divided by velocity or speed. That same formula we have used in that example. Okay, that idea only we will use here. Then the time taken to go upstream. Now the time taken to go, then now the time taken to go where? Upstream. Now the time taken to go upstream, ऊपर जा रही है, तो फॉर्मूला कौन सा बताया मैंने? ओके, therefore time is equal to distance divided by speed. Speed यानी कि क्या? Velocity. Therefore time is equal to distance. What is the total distance covered? You know that very well, 24 kilometer per hour. And when it was going upstream, that time what is the speed? 18 minus x, means 24 divided by 18 minus x. Got idea? 24 divided by 18 minus x. Similarly, time taken for downstream, what you will get? See, similarly time taken for what? Downstream is equal to, okay, otherwise I will write in this form also, no problem. Time is equal to distance, same distance is there, 24, and now speed will be different. Speed of the boat downstream. What will be the speed? 18 plus x. 18 plus x. Got idea up to this step? I hope so you are getting idea about it. Okay. Now what will happen? Look here. According to the given condition, what is the given condition? You know that very well. In the example only condition is given. According to the question, we can say, what is the question? A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more. It's very important. 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream to return downstream. Okay, that we will write here. According to question. According to question. Okay, motorboat goes first of all where? Upstream. Then what is the speed? Means the time taken is what? 24 divided by 18 minus x. Then here time is equal to what? 24 divided by 18 plus x. Means we can write like that, 24 divided by 18 minus x minus 24 divided by 18 plus x. 18 plus x is equal to what? 1. The difference is, means the time taken while going upstream and downstream, in that there is the difference of 1 hour. Okay, now we are going to solve this. For solving purpose, what we are going to do, here we can find out the LCM, means those denominator will be the LCMs, means we have to multiply numerator and denominator, means LHS and RHS we can say by this 18 minus x into 18 plus x, then also it is correct. Otherwise what we can do, we can do here cross multiplication, that is also correct. Okay, we will do here cross multiplication. Okay, numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, बीच में sign है minus. Okay, we will start it. Look here, what will happen? 24 in bracket 18 plus x minus, okay, 24 in bracket 18 minus x divided by this denominator into denominator, 18 minus x and 18 plus x is equal to what? 1. Got idea? Now what we will do, we will multiply this to the RHS, to this 1. What we will get? 24 in bracket 18 plus x minus 24 in bracket 18 minus x is equal to, what will happen? 18 minus x into 18 plus x. 18 minus x into 18 plus x. What I did, I have multiplied this denominator to this side. Okay, then what I will get? Look here. Now what I will do, I will multiply these to this and this 24 to this, means this 24 to this bracket, this minus 24 to this bracket. What I will get? See here, I will show you here the next step. 24, okay, 24 into 18 plus 24 into x minus 24 into 18 plus 24 into x. What I got? Look here, after multiplying to this bracket. And then next, the very important thing I want to tell you, which is this. Look here. Here suppose you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that 18 minus x and 18 plus x. If you will see carefully, then you will come to know that this is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. A minus b and a plus b means what? A square minus b square. Which is the value of a square? This 18. 18 is the value of a and x is the value of b. Means we can write directly over here, instead of doing multiplication. What we can write? 18 square minus x square. Therefore we will solve this. What we will get? See, 24, look here, 24 into 18, 24 into 18, see carefully, 24 into 18 plus 24 into x minus 24 into 18 plus 24 into x. If you will observe carefully, okay, here it is plus and here it is minus. No need of doing multiplication. Directly suppose you want to cancel, that is also correct. मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद भी कैंसिल करना चाहते हो तो भी चलता है, यानी कि मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ, इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो आएगा अभी 24 को 18 से और 18 को 24 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, जो आंसर आएगा इधर भी सेम आंसर आएगा, लेकिन इसका प्लस साइन है और इसका माइनस साइन है, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा। इसलिए हम डायरेक्टली लिख देते हैं इधर 24x, ओके, प्लस 24x is equal to 18 square minus x square. What I did, this plus and minus cancelled. 24 plus 24, 48x is equal to 18 square is what? 324 minus x square. Got idea? We will transfer into the quadratic equation. X square, I have transferred this minus x square to here, then it will be plus x square. This plus 48x as it is, this will be minus 324 is equal to 0. Look here what I did, you will come to know that. क्या किया है देखो, मैंने इधर इस माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर को इधर भेज दिया तो प्लस हो गया, ये प्लस 48x ऐसे ही लिखा है, और ये 324 ये प्लस है, ये इधर इस साइड को आके माइनस हो गया। ओके, नाउ हियर यू आर हैविंग टू ऑप्शंस, यू कैन सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन बाय यूजिंग फैक्टराइजेशन और क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला। क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला ये हमें अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि हम इधर पहले चेक करेंगे दैट गिवन मीन्स दिस गॉट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज हैविंग रूट्स और नॉट। ओके, आई विल स्टार्ट। लुक हियर, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What I did, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What I will get, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 48 and c is equal to minus 324. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 48 and c is equal to minus 324. Okay, now b square minus 4ac is equal to, what is the value of b square? Look here, b की वैल्यू क्या है 48 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू ए की वैल्यू 1 इंटू माइनस 324. What I got here, minus 324. Okay, what will be the next step? B square minus 4ac is equal to 48 square. What is 48 square? 2304. इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो, माइनस माइनस क्या होगा प्लस। ओके, 4 इंटू 1 4, 4 इंटू 324, मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा 1296. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to, एडिशन करो 3600. ओके, विच इज ग्रेटर दैन 0, यह भी ग्रेटर दैन 0 है 3600, अदरवाइज वी कैन से 3600 दैट इज ग्रेटर दैन 0, तो इसके रूट्स आ सकते हैं। तो हम क्या करेंगे अभी, बाय यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला। ओके, बाय यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक formula, by using quadratic formula we get, okay, what is quadratic formula? You know that very well. X is equal to minus b plus or minus in the square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Put values, what we will get, see, x is equal to, b की वैल्यू क्या है 48, यानी कि माइनस 48 प्लस और माइनस इन द स्क्वायर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac क्या मिला हमें 3600 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इंटू ए की वैल्यू क्या है 1 x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 48 प्लस और माइनस 3600, दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 60, ये किसका स्क्वायर है 60 का स्क्वायर है, तो हमें आंसर क्या मिलेगा 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। x इज इक्वल टू, एक बार प्लस लिखेंगे एक बार माइनस लिखेंगे, 48 प्लस 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 और x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 48 माइनस 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। देयरफॉर ओके, अभी आंसर क्या आएगा देखो, माइनस 48 प्लस 60 डिवाइड बाय 2, x इज इक्वल टू 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 और x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 108 डिवाइडेड बाय 2। देयरफॉर अभी आंसर क्या आता है देखो इधर, x is equal to 6, or what you will get, x is equal to minus 54. X is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 54. But what is x? We have considered here. x हमने क्या कंसिडर किया है? The speed of the stream. और speed कभी भी माइनस में नहीं होता. Okay, that's why we can see here x is a speed of the stream. Here x is what? Speed of the stream. Here x is a speed of stream. Here x is a speed of stream. It cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. इधर लिखता हूँ देखो, it cannot be negative. Okay, it is the speed of the stream. It cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. So we ignore the root x is equal to minus 54. So we ignore the root x is equal to minus 54. Okay, therefore x is equal to 6 gives the speed of the stream, the speed of the stream as x is equal to 6 gives the speed of the stream as 6 km per hour. Got idea? 6 km per hour. Do you understand? Okay, इस एग्जाम्पल में हमने क्या देखा, देखो फिर से मैं एग्जाम्पल दिखा देता हूँ. इधर हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम. फॉर दैट पर्पज वी हैव कंसिडर्ड upstream means it will be minus, downstream means it will be plus. We have used this formula, velocity is equal to distance divided by time, and we have reshuffled the terms. Time is equal to distance divided by speed, and we got 24 divided by 18 minus x. Then we got 24 divided by 18 plus x, and according to question we got here one equation. And after that what we did, we have done cross multiplication. Here we have used identity a plus b and a minus b. Okay, here I have multiplied this 24 to this bracket, this 24 to this bracket, and I got like that situation. And finally I got this is the quadratic equation. Then I compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I got a, b, c. First of all I checked b square minus 4ac, which is now I got here greater than 0. Then I solved by using quadratic formula, and finally I got the two roots, x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 54. But x is known as speed of stream, and that is must be positive. It cannot be negative. Then I have written like that answer. So we ignore the root x is equal to minus 54, and x is equal to 6 gives the speed of the stream as 6 km per hour. Okay, remaining examples will continue in the next video. Thank you.